We'll continue with the fight, and these are the official duty for bantamweight. Judge number 1, Lalmalsoma. Judge number 2, Lal Sanhima. Judge number 3, Malsom Sanga. Referee, Zach Shiva Lama. Ladies and gentlemen, are we ready for the main card fighters? Are we ready for the main card fighters? Introducing first from Mizo, Mizoram, blue corner, Lalhamingdailova.
Life is a fight, boy, you better knuckle up, with the spirit of Ali, you're jabbing the uppercut.
And his opponent from Mizo, Mizoram. Ladies and gentlemen, red corner, Barun. This fight is for the bantamweight division. Introducing first with the age of 22 and standing at 164.5 centimeter and weighing 53.524 kilogram from Aizawl, Mizoram, blue corner, Lalhamingdailova. And his opponent standing in the red corner with the age of 19 and standing at 165 centimeter, weighing 53.524 kilogram from Aizawl, Mizoram, red corner, Barun.
Okay, this is the main card, bantamweight division. Red corner Barun, Mizoram, is born in Manipur, and this is the debut on the professional boxing. He is 53.24 kilogram and 167 centimeter reach. His height is 165 centimeter. His boxing style is southpaw, and his opponent Mingdailova, blue corner. Bantamweight 53.24 kg, 22 years of age, 164 centimeter height, and he is also in professional at the debut match. His boxing style is also southpaw. Mingdailova is very popular in Aizawl for boxing. We well known in LPS Pro Fight, but Barun does not attend in Aizawl any match. He still remain in Sede Boxing Academy.
Oh, hai nuôi lệ tầm miệng miệng mày ạ. Mingdailova, blue corner, in pan pay miệng miệng mày ạ. Oh, cho tí roll cho anh Barun here này, lao big miệng luôn nè. Zanina, kan soi tong kan knock out. Voi thum om to tu na mi he knock out le theng am ai noi sen ma ya chuti rual chuanin anin noi rei don lo tharu mangai chuwang chuanin boxer ho ngai sanom na em chu ti hianin ring chunga hianin ani nuai mi ami amaro chu pon lama hi chuan ain ku a thian tha takte an ni thei zelani kan hi an enton tlak na pakhan ning ka hria.
Okay, we already announced that tonight, Super Series Fight 5. There's our 7:15 bout, and we see this fight is 6 bout. Lalhamingdailova blue and Barun red. Barun is born in Manipur. His boxing style is too good, but Lalhamingdailova also too good for boxing in bantamweight. He is famous in LPS Pro Fight in many times. So that these two boxers were good boxer, but they don't have experience in professional boxing. This is their first time.
Oh, tuna kanin Varun kan non vai kual thuak maya maro chu fu lem lo oh Lalhamingdailova hian angam khop maya hetia landa nai chun amaro chu boxing a chun in ngam ringot khani lo in nek fu kha poimo ni chu wang chun in ani nek fu kha nga ya lo ringot khani lo wa in nek fu ha poimo em em ani. Oh, sponsorship he and cheer chuak velenga. And before the fight begins, we'd like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed sponsors. Their support has been instrumental in making this professional boxing event a success. We acknowledge their contribution and appreciate their trust in our vision. Thank you to our fellow sponsors for believing in us. Grassroot Boxing Promotion, Crown Boxing Promotion, LPS Vision, Indian Boxing Council, USA Universal, www.pamhonorary.com, Iconoto, Sete Boxing Academy, and I Do Play.
Seconds. Clear the ring.
Second round.
Round 2.
Dona tunge zanina hian chakna changzo kang sia thiama har khop maya tuna landa na hi chuanin zanina chakzo kan omanga ya tunge chakzo don ti chu round lian han khel zo lenga siat le mai turangai taila oh tuna in nek mek te hi kan muang hian Lalhamingdailova blue corner le Varun Kumar Roy red corner te anni oh anin ngam sok khop maya Lalhamingdailova hian oh an ve dan vel hi chu enge knockout tum hisab deuh hi angkatia pen dan vel hi mo chu ti rual chunin Varun hian ngoi reng te hianin no pele chat zela sia thiam har khop me ni game a hi chuanin knockout lo ti kha chu soi thiam har kati ngai dan
knockout om karing lo watun bau ta hian ama ro chu enge om thu thei thawani ka se fo thina boxing a chuan ama ro chu ani pani hi chu abanda moi ta ni ya an nek te duang anana tok lo dewa chumi pi lama an pani sim hi an thiam dan level sim ain ang bok nen knockout hi kan mu ring che lawatin split decision te poi muila amak lawang ti soi amak karing che lawa ayun ni mas polo ni thei thawa chu ti rol chon split po ani pani son ka be sei
arei tela hei aron in nekte en fit tel moti mai turania ama mi te chia tin ani lovin zanina hianin arei tela amu nom tel mai ni chuwang chuanin hei a top lama in nek tur phei hi chu laldin sang ate ho khan ni dona amu nom hle dona ni oh an film khur dun khop maya Lalhamingdailova khan in a parkat khan nen tum zo amaro chu lo ting ta chia lova oh an nor hi chuan nor na ni mara chu tu angin ati thei mai bik lo Varun a hian tlaw ma tum reng lo an pian han en hian an perfect maya an mani sim sima hianin an fitani ti hi lang chiang mai ni an mani an hard working ti chiang an training tha ti hi a lang chiang ani oh second round zole ta
Before the third round start, Rani Kamal, CEO founder Grassroot Boxing Promotions, have agreed that we have seen a huge potential in Mizoram boxers. Of course, we cannot take every fighter outside the state until they reach a certain level or build their records. So we decide to bring opportunity to their hometown instead. We truly love the ambience, energy and passion the people of Mizoram have boxing. They deserve bigger, better and more professional shows. We commit to bringing international standard event right here for them. This is Rani Kamal, co-founder Grassroot Boxing Promotions. A message for all the boxers in Mizoram.
Seconds. Clear the ring. Round 3.
third round khele ta tunge hetialan dana hi chuanin a chak zok tur hi sia thiama har ka ti khop mai ne to ka an mani sim sima hi an fit boxia anor zok point nek fu hlei thei lowa tunge chak zok don ti sia thiama le har khop mai kan sai to ang khan tu na in nek te hi Lalhamingdailova blue corner le Barun Kumar Roy red corner te anni
Varun hi skills ane chu tirwal chuan power punch kan tiang nek na takan ne kha nei vak lowa Mingdailova hian nek Mingdailova hi nek kan zo kretem o katia Varun hi chu tlemin ala enge abu angala zir deu chan deu ang khana ron khel deu in ka sia
tin an kumpo hi an no pang hle mai Lalhamingdailova hi kum som ni patni ni in Varun Kumar Roy hi kum som pakwa an no pang khop mai ma ba ka eng khop mai
anin naijil anin nek nasaboka close fight tak tak an neya hi har sa em ya a chau thla ka tharum manangai bok chakangai bok sia close fight a chuan in nor vesek angai boka in ven ngai bok sinen kitiang hi har salai tak ani bok thina southpaw ve an nia orthodox tana southpaw ma chon hi har sa an ti thina ani ki chu southpaw ve nia advantage an nei ve
knockout
ni
na
ver
chance
mai
po mo sang riau mai
round thum na kalmeka round li kan endona ni kan ti to kha
kan Mizo boxer te hi mabak eng tak nei te anni hloma tuna kan mu te po hi la no pang tak anni a nakin lo ka Mizoram ti ming that thei tu tur anni a chuwang chuanin ke ni te Mizo mi pui te point kan support that le kha angai ni ti kha hamse thar le bok taila tin tuna fight mu nom tak kan en thei na hi I do play ani a I do play hi phone nama te po install thei na om renga in lo install vek don nia I do play hianin movie mu nom tak te tin chum ba ka chuanin show mu nom tak te an chop chuaka tun lai apps thara chuanin install na om tak mai ani fight lama lut chum zom le ngalila
round thum na zo chepani zo le der mai tuna lan dana hi chuanin achak jok tur hiat thiam har khop mai Mustafa Kamal, founder of Grassroot Boxing Promotions. FMSH to Mizoram people. Our goal has always been to create real opportunities for boxers who came from dedication, not privilege. Mizoram has consistently shown exceptional promise at the grassroots level, producing skills and disciplined fighters like Daldin Sanga, Zoram Chana, and Malon Puya. We've seen first and the raw talent and determination that exists here. We know that with support, exposure, and opportunity, Mizoram can produce many more stars who represent India on a big
Seconds.
stage.
Clear the ring. Round 4.
Our aim is simple: to give these boxers the platform they deserve and to help Mizoram become a key hub for professional boxing in the country. This is a quote for message for Mustafa Kamal, founder of Grassroot Boxing Promotions. At the beginning of this bout, round 1 to round 4, both boxers were attack. They don't defense. They try to hit, but it difficult to hit any times. We already announced that Barun Kumar, he live in Aizawl, but he is born in Manipur. He is a professional boxer, but he is a major boxer in Manipur. Professional is his first fight. And Lalhamingdailova also a major boxer. He achieved very lot in Mizoram state boxing, but he also professional boxing is his first fight. Tonight is a big day for boxing in Mizoram. Many talent boxers are there in this fight series. We give a thanks to Grassroot Boxing Promotions and Crown Boxing Promotions, including Sede Boxing Promotion, to this opportunity for all the boxers. This is the last round of this bout. We don't know who will win yet. Lalhamingdailova, blue corner, and red corner Barun. They are also living. They are all living in Mizoram. Barun is born in Manipur. He is on Sede Boxing Academy. There are still second in left. They try to.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me, is you with it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant.
They collect the judgment, and after that after a minute, we know that who will win, blue corner or red corner.
Zanin fight kan nei theina tur dang hian sponsorship lam hian cheer le thok thok ila Grassroot Boxing Promotion, Crown Boxing Promotion, LPS Vision, Indian Boxing Council, USI Universal, www.famehonorary.com, Iconoto, Sede Boxing Academy le ai du play te anne tu na tang rei lo te hian result kan se thei don ani.
After 4 rounds of intense boxing, This is the scorecard of the judges. Judge number 1, 37-39. Judge number 2, 36-40. Judge number 3, 39-37. And by means of split decision, the winner is blue corner, Lalhamingdailova.
Cristiano Ronaldo celebrate ang ina ko. Shoe. Full hemay.